Imagine this: the market is crashing, jobs are at risk, and your hard-earned savings are losing value overnight. Scary, right? But what if I told you there's a way to bulletproof your portfolio so you can not just survive but thrive, even during a recession? If you've ever wondered how the wealthiest people keep growing their money while everyone else is panicking, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into how you can build a recession-proof portfolio that stands strong even in the toughest economic storms. I'll show you actionable steps that have been proven to work so you can achieve financial freedom no matter what the market throws at you. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Then let's get started. But wait, if you skip any part of this video, you might miss crucial insights that could literally save your portfolio. So, stick around till the end for a surprise strategy that only the pros use. Recession, a word that strikes fear into the hearts of even the most seasoned investors. Let's be real here, nobody likes losing money. But when you're between 18 and 30, a recession can feel especially daunting. You're just starting your career, you have big dreams, and the thought of losing your savings? That's enough to keep anyone awake at night. But here's the thing most people don't realize: recessions are an opportunity, not a death sentence. Yes, you heard me right. While others panic, the smart investors, people like you, prepare. They use these downturns to build wealth while everyone else is stuck in fear mode. Quick question: have you ever heard of the saying, when there's blood in the streets, buy property? It's a little gruesome, I know, but it's a great way to illustrate that the best opportunities often come when things look the worst. So, how do you prepare? How do you build a portfolio that's recession-proof? It starts with understanding the basics. But before we dive into the strategies, let me ask you this: what's the one asset class that has consistently outperformed during every major recession? Think about it. We'll reveal the answer shortly. Building the foundation of a recession-proof portfolio. 1. Diversify. If there's one rule every successful investor lives by, it's diversification. Imagine this: you're standing on a chair with only one leg. How stable do you feel? Now, add 3 more legs. Suddenly, you're balanced and secure. That's what diversification does for your portfolio. It spreads the risk across different asset classes. In India, you have access to a range of assets: stocks, bonds, real estate, gold, and even digital assets like cryptocurrencies. Let's break down each of these, starting with equities. 2. The power of defensive stock. During a recession, not all stocks are created equal. Some companies actually perform well during economic downturns. These are known as defensive stocks. Think FMCG giants like Hindustan Unilever or ITC. No matter the economic climate, people still buy soap, shampoo, and groceries. By allocating a portion of your portfolio to these defensive stocks, you create a buffer against market volatility. Here's a fun fact: did you know that toilet paper stocks skyrocketed during the pandemic? Toilet chart with upwards trend. People panic about the strangest things. We've covered stocks, but what if I told you there's an asset that has been a safe haven for centuries, even when entire markets collapse? Any guesses? We'll get to that in a minute. 3. The golden shield. Investing in gold. Gold isn't just a shiny metal you wear during weddings. It's a powerhouse investment that has protected wealth for centuries. During recessions, when everything else is losing value, gold tends to rise. In India, gold is more than just an asset, it's part of our culture. By investing a portion of your portfolio in gold, either through physical gold, gold ETFs, or sovereign gold bond, you can add a layer of safety. Imagine waking up during a recession to find your stocks down 30%. But your gold investment has not only held its value, it's gone up. That's the kind of protection we're talking about. But gold alone isn't enough. There's another asset class that can offer even more stability and predictable returns, especially when the economy takes a hit. Can you guess what it is? Let's find out. 4. The stability of bonds and fixed income. If stocks are the thrill seekers of your portfolio, bonds are the steady and reliable guardians. When the stock market takes a dive, bonds often hold firm, providing a cushion for your portfolio. For Indian investors, government bonds, corporate bonds, and even debt mutual funds can be excellent choices. Think of bonds like the designated driver of your investment portfolio. They might not be the life of the party, but they'll get you home safely. Car, sleepy. So, we've covered stocks, gold, and bonds. But what if I told you there's one more asset that's not only recession-proof but can also generate passive income for you, even while you sleep? Intrigued? Let's dive in. 5. The power of real estate and REITs. Real estate is a classic hedge against inflation and economic downturns. In India, property values tend to hold strong even during recessions, especially in prime locations. But you don't need crores of rupees to get started. REITs real estate investment trusts allow you to invest in real estate with as little as 10,000 rupees, giving you exposure to income-generating properties. Imagine earning rental income every month without ever owning a physical property. That's the magic of REITs. We've now built a diversified portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, gold, and real estate. But there's one final strategy that can supercharge your recession-proof plan. It's a strategy used by the wealthiest investors, and it's something most people overlook. 6. The ultimate hedge. Investing in yourself. The best investment you can make, especially when preparing for a recession, is in yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking an online course, or building a side hustle, investing in your knowledge pays the highest dividends. In a recession, jobs are at risk, but skills are recession-proof. Ever wonder why some people always seem to land on their feet, no matter the economic climate? Superhero. It's because they've invested in something nobody can take away: their own skills. You've just armed yourself with the knowledge to build a recession-proof portfolio. Now it's time to take action. Remember, the best time to start is before the storm hits. Don't wait for the next recession to panic. Start building your fortress today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on how to achieve financial freedom. And for those of you who want to dive deeper into mastering your finances, check out our previous video on the power of compounding. It's a game changer.